Hey, thanks for coming by. I'm Jack, and Sage asked me to share with you a bit about how using Sage ERP ACPAC version 6.0 has made my job so much easier. As the controller for my company, much of what I do requires daily analytics to determine if we're on track for our short and long-term goals. With the enhancements in version 6.0, it's been much easier for me to monitor those analytics so that we can respond to changes and be more proactive strategically. Really, using version 6.0 has made a big difference in the way we do business. That's why I told Sage I'd be happy to tell you more about the new enhancements and what they've meant for us. So I'll start with one of my favorites. With version 6.0, we have the option to lock down fiscal periods for all modules, so we no longer have to manually correct entries posted in the wrong period. The completely redesigned portal that's much cleaner, easier to navigate and access information from. A much quicker way to pull personalized financial data with inquiry. The option to create orders from within Sage CRM without having to fully open up Sage ERP ACPAC to get to the order entry screen. And finally, the ability to see and pull key metrics through snapshots. This alone has completely changed the way we make decisions on a daily basis. Like I said before, these enhancements in version 6.0 have helped us see our business in a new way. We've improved productivity, can better envision our success, and focus on accelerating the growth of our company. Hope that gives you an idea of what makes version 6.0 work so well for us. If you want to hear more about these features individually, check out these videos.